and the lifts are just down there on the right hand side, so not very far. I'll get the number in a minute. Okay, so we got a wardrobe there. This light automatically comes on whenever you get up, so it stays on and just goes off. Here's the dunny. Turn the light on. There you go. Light's on. Just takes a while to come on. So yeah, there's the dunny. Bathroom. It's okay. It's like, you know, what we're used to. Shower. Again, it's okay. It's not the biggest shower in the world, but it's all right. It works. It works all right. You got your little soaps and soap cum shampoo there. So a couple of towels there, and yeah, I don't know why they leave that closed. Okay, there you go. Wardrobe, life jackets up there, and there. Let's close that up. And there's a safe in there, and some other stuff that we put in there. Somewhere to put your suitcase. All right, so the main room. You come in. Nice big bed, really comfortable bed.
It's a very comfortable bed.
Very comfortable bed, and the pillows are just magic. I don't know what they're made of, but they're really, really soft pillows.
It's a nice labour.
Yeah. And this is our daily animal. We had a good one yesterday. It was an elephant. Actually done really, really well. Yeah. And the TV's enormous. I think it's probably 40-inch LG TV. Air conditioning controls there. You can adjust them wherever you like, up, down, whatever. But they work really, really well. Okay, and we've got a little table there, fridge. And the fridge actually works. It's a working fridge.
It's quite cold.
Yep, there's cold division. See? It's frosting up. So there you go, that works. And a little shelf there. Yeah, the shelf is good size, somewhere to put your beer. This is obstructed view. They call it obstructed window view, but it's not as obstructed as some of the other window views. For argument's sake, next door, we'll just see that lifeboat. They wouldn't see much else, whereas at least we're in between lifeboats. So we've got lifeboat there and lifeboat down there, I think. Yep. So there's one. Okay, and we've got a phone here. And connections, we've got twin Australian power points, which are good. There's a USB port in each of these lights somewhere, right around there. Yeah, USB ports there. And there's a switch there. And these look like US connections there. Hairdryer. This is our room guys. Yeah, nice guys.
Yeah, very nice.
Really nice guys.
There's not much room here though.
Yeah, what else can I tell you?
You couldn't fit a cot or anything in here.
No, there's not a lot of room there.
There's
Not an
only
awful
one
lot of
chair.
room. Yeah, and one chair.
Yeah.
One chair.
It's a cabin for two.
Yeah. And as I say, there's a USB port right there. USB port. Right there. Okay, a couple of drawers down there. And under the bed, you can't really get to under the bed, so your suitcase has to go in that other little area down there. But that's basically it. There you go. Our room.